I'm Tara Monster, and I like to make things. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a cool Halloween wreath from items I found at the dollar store. I'm getting in the mood for fall, and this really cute trees t-shirt made by yours truly. You can get yours at revivalinc.com. Click the link below in the description for a 20% off coupon. And now, if you want to find out how to make a cool Halloween wreath, let's get crafting! And now we're going to make our dollar store wreath. Disclaimer, I have never made a wreath before. I am not sure how this is going to turn out. I am learning right along with you guys. I kind of just went around the dollar store and looked for fun things that I was like, I can stick this on a wreath, yeah. I knew I would need some tulle. I got 2 different kinds of orange and 2 different kinds of black. This has got some gold spiders on it. And then the little wreath part itself, I also got from the dollar store. And I've just started putting these on. I'll show you just how I did it. I also found this little sign that I'm going to put in the middle. I think that'll look really cool. And these little ornaments, get some eyeballs and things. And I found 2 spiders as well. And then this part's really important. These are the pipe cleaners that you're going to use to attach the tulle. I also found some purple ribbon just lying around and some black ribbon. Not sure if I'm going to use these, but they're in the color scheme, so I thought I'd bring them over. So the first thing you want to do is get your little pipe cleaner attachment ready. We're going to go around the outside, so around these 2 rungs first. So we're just going to put our pipe cleaner around the outer 2 rungs and cut them to about the right size. And we're doing alternating orange and black, so I'm gonna do black. And this is cheap dollar store tulle, so I'm doing 2 layers. I'm shooting for about 8 inches long with these. And then you just take it and fold it up like a bow or like a little fan. And then you put it in the pipe cleaner and twist. Cut off the excess pipe cleaner and then slide it down to where the rest of your stuff is, and then just open them up, make them really puffy, and get glitter all over the place. The nickname for glitter in my house is raver scabies. Throwback to the 90s with the raver joke there. The jokes are free. Come for the crafts, leave because of the jokes. Now for the orange. I'm gonna roll out both layers and do the same thing, make the little bow. Remember to put the pipe cleaner on first and everything will go a lot easier for you. Scooch it down and fluff it out. This orange stuff is already really fluffy. You can see how it's coming together. Cut off our little pipe cleaner ends. And I might just go around the wreath at the end and do that too. Snip them all at once. Switch back to the black. The pipe cleaner on first. Fluff it out and slide it on next door to its buddy. That's starting to look really cool. And the orange stuff frays a bit, so we just want to cut those frays off. Probably go around and do that at the end too. So it's just rinse and repeat all the way around the wreath after this. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I will show you the next step. And now we have finished putting all of the bows all the way around our wreath. You might notice here I actually just ran out of like one little black one, so we've got some orange, but it's not gonna matter because that's how I'm gonna put my sign. So it's gonna totally cover that, so it doesn't matter at all. And speaking of the sign, I am going to show you how I'm going to attach it to the wreath. So in order to get our sign to stay in our wreath, we are going to hot glue some pipe cleaners to the back of it so that we have a way to attach it. So I'm just gonna see here about where the inner of the wreath is going to be, and I'm gonna mark it so I know right where to put my hot glue. So approximately there and approximately there. Okay, and then we're gonna take a pipe cleaner and we're gonna attach it just like this with the hot glue, and then this part is gonna get twisted around the wreath. And just make sure to encase the whole thing and hold it until it dries. In fact, if you happen to have a little scrap of fabric or something, you could actually use that to press it. I've got this little t-shirt scrap here. Just kind of press it down with that. And then you can just cut the fabric off. Now it's just got like a little backing on it. You're not gonna see this, so it doesn't have to match or anything. Okay, let's get another pipe cleaner. Make it about the same size. Make sure you always glue the loop side. And now our sign is ready to be mounted onto the wreath. And we're just gonna make sure that we place it right in that area where I had the orange and no black. Flip it over. I'm gonna put it just around the inner ones. There. Now that's on there nice and secure. I'm gonna just clip off all the excess pipe cleaners when we're all done. There, doesn't that look nice? This is looking really good so far. And for our final step, we're gonna add some extra little bows that are made out of our tubes. And to make these cute little bows, you're gonna want to measure out your tubes at 12 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut a bunch of 12-inch long tubes and put them together in each color. This is the part where I regret not leaving my tubes in the package. They're all getting tangled, so make sure you leave your tubes in the package and then just pull out a little bit. And the easiest way to measure quickly is to just use an existing tube. I'm gonna do this a bunch more times. And now we have a whole bunch of these 12-inch pieces. And I'm gonna show you how to make the little bow. The extra spool of ribbon I found lying around is gonna work great for this. You can use any ribbon you like in any color. They have tons of this at the dollar store. In fact, I think that's where I got this. You're going to cut it the same length as your tubes. Take your tubes and fold them over so that they meet in the middle. And then take your ribbon and wrap it around it. Hold it really tight. You can even twist it. I found that that helps. And then put your pipe cleaner around it. Make sure to twist it really tight. And there you go. I think that's a little long. I'm gonna just do a little triangle cut on the end. Makes it look nice. Perfect. Now I got another one. So we're just gonna go ahead and make a bunch of these. I'm just gonna keep making them until I kind of fill in the wreath I did these around the outside is because we're gonna put these on the inner ring. And that's gonna look really cool. So like this one I'm gonna go ahead and put on. And now that one's on there. Another cute little bow we can add in. I'm gonna keep making bows and then attach them. And now, as you can see, our wreath is looking a lot fuller. I've done just the bottom here, and I'm just doing them every section of black and orange on either side. So one black, one orange, and then the two bows. And I've got the rest of my little bows here. And I'm gonna start putting them along the top. And then when I'm done, I'm gonna go around and cut all the ribbons into triangles. You can do this before you attach your bows or after, but I'm just gonna go around and cut all of the ends of the ribbon so that they have that nice triangle look with the tips. And the easiest way to do that is to fold them in half and then just cut in at an angle. And then now we have those nice ribbon tips. Also, when you're attaching these, you can put them through and then flip it over and kind of tighten them on the back. I've been doing that, and that has sped things up a bit too. Okay, I'm just gonna finish up putting these last few ribbons on. And now it's time for my favorite part, and that is just adding on all of the accessories. We've got these little spiders. I've got some Halloween decoration ornament balls here. These are gonna be super fun. I'm just gonna position them all and then attach some pipe cleaners, wrap them around. Kind of just getting an idea for the layout here. I found these fun eyeballs we're just gonna put right up in the top, so it's like he's looking at ya. And we'll just add some other little balls around. I think that looks pretty good. Okay, and now we're just going to attach everything. I'm gonna start with my eyeballs. They've got these hooks in them, so I'm gonna just stick the pipe cleaner through. You wanna leave it nice and long because it's gotta wrap all the way around. The way to do it is to actually poke it through. Can't lift up your wreath too much though. You can just do it by feel. Okay, so he's attached now. Do the same here. And you just twist and twist and twist. And I kind of, oh, I think I want the spider here actually. He'll kind of cover up the little spot where I ran out of black. And this is why it's perfect that we have black pipe cleaners, because one can just go right around his little belly there. And there he's secured. And now that I've got everything positioned where I want it and secured with the pipe cleaners, I'm gonna flip it over and just go around and trim all of the extra pipe cleaners. I'm also going to make sure they're all tight. Like this guy's a little loose. And then trim off the extras as well as any spots where I have a frayed ribbon. So I'll just go around double checking everything and make sure that I cut all of my ribbons into points. But there we go. We have it all finished now. And here we have our finished wreath. I think this looks pretty great, and I hope that you guys enjoyed learning how to make a wreath with me. I am definitely going to be making some more of these, probably going to do a Christmas one too. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a cool Halloween wreath from items found at the dollar store. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then ring that bell so you can get notified when I make new content. I make a new video every week. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!